Welcome back to another video. In this video we are working again in our workshop barn, and we are going to be actually putting the cement down here for the stairs. So this is going to be actually the floor, it's just that we're starting with the stairs, so the stairs can be in their exact position. If you saw the previous video, we did move the stairs, we did not touch them properly, but we will. Now we have them in the correct place, now we know exactly where the cement needs to be. So this video we're going to start making the frame and pouring in the concrete. So let's get started cleaning up, leveling it, and making the frame. So as you can see, we have compacted it down. We actually lifted up the stairs. Don't worry, this is screwed down to this stump, so they shouldn't fall on us. And we have all compacted down, so we are ready for the cement. It actually came out a lot bigger layer than I wanted, but better, because these floors, they need to be strong. So we'd rather do it closer to 15 centimeters rather than the 10. So yeah, now we are gonna get going and cement them. So let's get started with that. good.
Pretty good.
Not many dips, yeah.
So we have finished this piece over here, and it took us exactly 2 hours, well, a bit more than 2 hours, because we're also like taking our time, going on walks, getting distracted. So if we would have done it all in one, I think it would be 2 hours, which is pretty good, I think. When I came in from outside, it looked like it is all water on top, but it's not water. It's not like this very liquidy we do on top. It's pretty good concrete, and I think after a few years David has gotten really good at mixing it. The mixture is always perfect, especially now this time, and I think I've gotten pretty good on straightening it. And yeah, I think it is leveled. We went through with a stick. It might have like a bit of like cuts here and there, but I could go on and on and on. The more professional way of doing it is to come back after an hour or two and you scoop it again and try to straighten it. But I think that's a bit overdone for a barn that we anyways will probably paint it or epoxy it. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we don't need it like smooth. But anyways, it's pretty
Maybe
smooth.
we tile it.
Maybe we tile it? Well, then all of that work is gonna go hidden. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it with this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Let's see what we're gonna do.